2020-2021 the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, codenamed AZD1222, is a COVID-19 vaccine developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca given by intramuscular injection, using as a vector the modified chimpanzee adenovirus AdOx1. One dosing regimen showed 90% efficacy when a half dose was followed by a full dose after at least 1 month, based on mixed trials with no participants over 55 years old. Another dosing regimen showed 62% efficacy when given as 2 full doses separated by at least 1 month. The vaccine was developed by Oxford University's Jenner Institute and Oxford Vaccine Group with a collaboration of the Italian manufacturer Advent SRL located in Pomezia, which produced the first batch of the COVID-19 vaccine for clinical testing. The team is led by Sarah Gilbert, Adrian Hill, Andrew Pollard, Theresa Lambe, Sandy Douglas and Catherine Green. The vaccine has a good safety profile with around 10% of recipients during clinical trials reporting mild adverse effects including injection site pain, headache and nausea. More rarely, anaphylaxis may occur. On the 30th of December 2020, the vaccine was first approved for use in the UK's vaccination programme, and the first vaccination outside of a trial was administered on the 4th of January 2021. The vaccine has since been approved by several medicine agencies worldwide, such as the European Medicines Agency by the World Health Organization. In March 2021, a number of countries paused use of the vaccine out of fears it may be implicated in cases of blood clotting observed in vaccine recipients. The European Medicines Agency, the UK MHRA and AstraZeneca have stated that overall blood clotting rates were not higher than would be expected naturally. On the 18th of March 2021, the EMA announced that out of the around 20 million people that had received the vaccine in the EU and UK, overall blood clotting rates were normal, but that it had identified 15 very rare cases of unusual blood clots accompanied by low levels of blood platelets that might be linked to the vaccine. The EMA updated the vaccine information to inform patients about the remote possibility of such syndromes but confirmed that the vaccine's benefits still outweigh the risks. Italy has resumed vaccinations with other countries expected to follow. The Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine is a replication-deficient simian adenovirus vector containing the full-length codon-optimized coding sequence of SARS-CoV-2 spike protein along with a tissue plasminogen activator leader sequence. The adenovirus is called replication deficient because some of its essential genes were deleted and replaced by a gene coding for the spike. Following vaccination, the adenovirus vector enters the cells, releases its genes. Those are transported to the cell nucleus. Thereafter the cell's machinery does the transcription in mRNA and the translation in proteins. The one of interest is the spike protein, an external protein that enables the SARS-type coronavirus to enter cells through the enzymatic domain of ACE2. Producing it following vaccination will prompt the immune system to attack the coronavirus through antibodies and T cells if it later infects the body. In February 2020, the Jenner Institute agreed a collaboration with the Italian company Advent SRL for the production of the first batch of a vaccine candidate for clinical trials. In March 2020, after the Gates Foundation urged the University of Oxford to find a large company partner to get its COVID-19 vaccine to market, the university backed off from its earlier pledge to donate the rights to any drug maker. The UK government encouraged the University of Oxford to work with AstraZeneca instead of Merck & Co., a US-based company. People at Oxford were reportedly concerned the vaccine would not be distributed worldwide. Government ministers also had concerns that a vaccine manufactured in the US would not be available in the UK, according to anonymous sources in Wall Street Journal. Financial considerations at Oxford and spin-out companies may have played a part. In June 2020, the US National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases confirmed that the third phase of testing for potential vaccines developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca would begin in July 2020. In July 2020, AstraZeneca partnered with IQVIA to speed up U.S. clinical trials. On the 31st of August 2020, AstraZeneca announced that it had begun enrolling adults for a US-funded 30,000 subject late-stage study. On the 8th of September 2020, AstraZeneca announced a global halt to the vaccine trial while a possible adverse reaction in a participant in the United Kingdom was investigated. On the 13th of September, AstraZeneca and the University of Oxford resumed clinical trials in the United Kingdom after regulators concluded it was safe to do so. AstraZeneca was criticized for vaccine safety after concerns from experts noting the company's refusal to provide details about serious neurological illnesses in two participants who rake